Hey guys, so I want to give you a quick overview of what to do with this checklist. Somebody's going to ask, is it for a grade? We can't go through life asking that question about everything. And you don't need to put that value on whether or not you're going to do something in life as to whether or not it's a grade. This is a tool to help you be successful. It is kind of included in your East Daily Grade, and I do have it set up that I have to be able to see that you have opened it. So yeah, I mean, everything you do for me is a grade. Everything you do in life is a grade, one way or another. All right, so let's look at this checkbox or this checklist. So for week 19, there's the date, and you're going to get one of these every week. Check this list during the week to make sure that you have turned in all of this week's assignments. I have the written directions here to tell you what to do. So the first time I finished this, and I was like, okay, well, how do they check off a box? I clicked on the box and it highlights all the boxes. And I thought, well, if we're going to use this as a checklist, that's not going to work. But here's the trick. Once you've clicked on it, then click on it again. And now all you have is just the one box you want to work with. All right, so we've got that isolated. Now, how do you turn the box into a check mark? So you're going to right click and then you're going to get these different types of bullets. There's a check mark. Then you're going to click the check mark and now it's checked off. Now, I wouldn't actually, and I'm just going to hit Control Z to go back. That's Z like zebra. You actually want to come here and click these off one at a time. So again, you see you've got Monday, and now when you right click, you've got all of them. You don't want that. So you're going to just click on Monday, and now I can check off Monday. So if I go do my bell ringer, I've got Monday done. I'm going to show you again. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to right click again. Now I'm going to left click. I've got my check box, and it's checked off. So now I'm good. So now I can come to Tuesday and just click on Tuesday, the next day. The other things are your vision board. And again, you notice it's all highlighted. So I just click there and now I can check that off. That's due Monday, January 11th. And then your East Daily grades are going to be due on Friday. And I have the bell ringers and I have the East Daily grades locked. So you cannot submit them until Friday when you are finished with them. And then the vision board, you can turn that in next Monday. So hopefully this gives you a good overview of how to use the checklist. Again, it's the checklist itself is not an assignment that you turn in, but it is a tool to help you be successful and stay on track. So hopefully it's going to help you out. And I'll see you guys in class. Bye.